Okay, that's a while man. And I've been called and so I'm a guy and so I'm Okay, my best team, that's alive. Our Jude team, our Jude team, that's alive. Our Jude team, our Jude team. That play, another, what happened on the other way? Here comes the power chief of Australia traditional area, who is the leader of the left wing of the Ashanti Kingdom. He leads the Asantehemaa power chiefs on the left wing, as Otumfour leads the Asantehemaa power chiefs in the right wing. He is the firstborn, he is the firstborn of all the other tribes worldwide. Although every Australian mining, as well. As I was for the other mining, that's for is a member of the National House of Chiefs.
whatever. Manhyia by when you go by Billy Modia, when they didn't anymore. Let's have a chimbo. Your first of him sign. I said, yes, sir. It's my idea. You look Manhyia by Okobia, said Bibi Okama, what to be now? Suma, the book Manhyia by. Only Christmas. KoToKo because I Nyabe, Manhyia the KoToKo. When you do, you Mr. Damasi. Jabusia for Yarasoha. And what you say, Inamoyano, I tell you, say, your friend of him sign. Let us say, it's an animal. Why the one piano, a piano, just a one sign, 8 to me 1 piano, a piano, just a one sign. What sign? To your friend of him sign on. But you're in an Ebano. And the person and the Diani Musano. I was on my camel said, it's probably Sano, not just said. I don't see how many there. Mind Ebano. Yes. And any other because any breakers here now Abano. Yes. I hope you win in Ebano. Why don't you keep your drama? Tomorrow, there was a good KoToKo. What did you teach drama? Whatever. Asantehemaa, whatever. Yeah. And I just said, I remember once on the limit that day at the man and I just yes. Yes. So susu boni biara na obena na ho ahwe aha Abebe kwa so no Pem sign awesome no ala musa mrantia no wa ma bon ndramu wa ma bo aye ade kokko na ti kokko mu na wo de aye wa mo na wo kura dua bia ya de sabe kokko ade de aje church ho no anu na mrantia no rodi baka so mo di display awa ha no ya fa ne sa pem sign awesome opem na aba sign wo de ani bone ba pem aba sign wo de etubone aba pem aba sign wo de asusuabone ba atoa apem abasan bibia wo wa decide wo de baba na de abewura mu bia abo be som pem sign na abasan etbi anya adwuma ano ana wo ne play aba ha no eti aya pem sign bo som a sabe ya na nam kuba wufuo wo mu ni wago efete tentende ana abakwa sama echiremu a ensa abusumi awo honoma edi besinna anyanna ana pensa abusumi abaye ana nanum kubawufo ani asante ekwa kase a akonyina no pensa abusumi adimu akotene sade medical kanu no botaji trupa ni busumi ni se wa ukura ni bone wa ukura zusia bone wa ukura kodia bone na be wadwesa wode ba na de abeye odwoni wa ha no ebosa abusumi ya abasan anu no mo pontwema mu na wonu kura dia sa wo mafru na yade ankukọ ade ayetire ho anu ne pensa abusumi no na sa o ma sofo trebu akodua kuma wo mahene wo hunu se ya na sa wono ana ayi ni ti a wo ba edwamu a anya asabketwa wono ne pensan bosom afei ana wo maduru dwom abrafo bi anmo hunu ba ma 10 gram ana odi animu a wo mo aba no anya asabketwa kuma uman nyina yaka asante abakwasam a enkura wo mo do mo si ho na wo mo bo aye ma asante nkyekireye ane nkabo mu akonkan no wo kan no abokumawu wo kan no abodwoso wo kan no aka aduma kase kase ayemfo akase baasa ani ntini adwotwo wuro a wo mudi akotene na wo mo do mo kra de si ho ya Jude yesi ebie animro so na ye de yawa ani ewudrogu mu a na akofo ade sa anase wo no ade edwane asa na wo makokon ni nyina aka ho ana ma sakotrebu akodua wonya sa edin barema
Sabre to the way ole atikoda
enti anna sade ade atuma nim no ampaya ebedwa osom no ani ade nwura ade atetere ho no ama safo trebo akodi anankasa onye ama safo trebo akodi anankasa onye ono akofo okodufo oniadefo what is a mekra medi akona nim masha batakari mekra akodi na instrumento ampa ono si yoyo ebe obi konfa loche ahye so obenya yemfo baasa omo di kona nim se ne be dantra ko akoso no asante abetimi adi dantra so enkunim no amema wo mutigina ye no baako ade bama safo trebo akobia na na di kopim ana afeye adumaka sekase wonu nyina ana wo ka ya ana o Asantehemaa eno asekire eno no amwa to sumiro na japekro manwene sabi yene Asantehemaa na yesom ewo ha ye ba ye franka se na ye ba ye sabi japekro na Asantehemaa de eti se ba fan ene from sabi ye kwa hwa ye nche ti se mo hu na japekro manwene okatachie amwa turu nkwankwanchi a oto sumiro wo ha ya sabi enya prasemaka anasa prasemadi ni ye diem e nyina ye pe ye ba ka ye ho e ya kwa e sabi ya kata oba hema achi brakra this another case mu wo okatache amwa du kwankwanchi a to su mienu wa ya na ni ye diem na ye pe me da was
treasurer the Assemblies of God. Reverend Yiadom Jesse is the regional superintendent of Ashanti East. Reverend John Akpofo is the regional superintendent of Ashanti
yes Asante Eniabre ayo mo mususu ma ne de awu wo je why mo pa chire se yes Asante na solo
okay, Kremo Ayawa.
Kamoday.
Ayawa.
Ayakwa.
Swami. Otumfour Krewo. Yasom Otumfour Krewo.
What's Otumfour in Kremo? Eti dia na sono no.
Swami for.
Swami.
And the science. Sumankwa infor.
Okay. And you know Otumfour in Kremo. Also me Swami for na Ebano. Tipo some de sono no. Ebano. Yes. Asantehemaa
For those of you watching us live,
Asantehemaa
in your homes, in your offices, in your car, we are live on several television stations across the country and beyond. We are also live on several radio stations in the country and beyond. Today is the first day of the burial rites of our beloved Asantehemaa and Yiadom III. 4 sacred days have been dedicated for the burial rites. Today is day number 1, and it's the day to also recognize and celebrating her life and her wisdom in the various forms of life. 4 days are meant to prepare the way for her to join her ancestors.
Okasa wo feki abaye yitire yibia omo ayeka do netwe Belia wo feki sanni abo Yiadom ko Manhyia baby and then that is kind and Asantehemaa I'm a very Yiadom also on the exam the government in
I don't know who done it.
charity event. If your name, your group, or your institution has not been called to pay homage to His Majesty Otumfour Osaa II, kindly remain seated until your name is called. Remain seated until it reaches your turn. This meal will help us to coordinate the event here at the funeral grounds. You are also reminded that only designated individuals and representatives of your group or institutions may be allowed to the royal podium of His Majesty. Do not accompany any designated individual or group or institution unless you have been specifically called to do so. For safety and the running of the event here, various accreditations have been issued. The police are very much aware of those accreditations, and only those with all access accreditation will be allowed in the inner perimeter of the Devil grounds. So on behalf of His Majesty Otumfour Osaa II, Asantehemaa, the Kumasi Traditional Council, and the Planning Committee, it is with deep respect and dignity that I welcome you all to this solemn gathering as we keep the burial rites of our beloved Asantehemaa, the Master Yiadom, and the way of the Spirit of Warriors 2025. Political parties, educational institutions, NGOs, telecommunication companies, and other identifiable associations and corporate institutions. We ask again that as we do so, we ask the community and reverence this solemn occasion where we are observing the veteran rights.
Yɛhwɛ na afei ɔbɛ bi atwa mu wɔ ha yɛhwɛ ɔbɛ bi a ɔbɛ bi a ɔbɛ bi Asantehemaa
Ladies and gentlemen are here, their members. We have delegation from Telesel, Engineer Patricia Oman, the Chief Executive Officer of Telesel Ghana. We have the Chief Operating Officer, Oman, Enterprise Business Director, Kawa Bulari, the HR Director, Rahel Akabenezer, Sales and Distribution, Mr. Samuel Sabo. Today, we have several educational institutions here. Among them, UPSC, the huge delegation from UPSC, including Professor John Mabuto, the Council Chair, Dr. K. Agamu, the Registrar, Mrs. Jack, PAE, Mrs. Abba Loko, and the Provost Chancellor, Professor Asamoah, and Professor Irish. On behalf of His Majesty, you are welcome to stay. The infor is also represented by Professor Samuel Osaa. He is the Rector of the Ghana Institute of Management and Public Administration. We have the Registrar of GIMPA, Dr. Victoria Kupo, and GIMPA Kumasi Campus Manager, Professor Gabriel Redu. We thank you all for sharing sympathies and condolences with His Majesty Otumfour Osaa the second. Various institutions will be called upon, but I must let's notice that not everyone will have the opportunity of shaking hands physically with His Majesty. The Volta River Authority VRA is heavily represented by Asantehemaa Konadu the second. Engineer Edward Obeng Kenzo, the Chief Executive Officer of VRA. Dr. Lawrence Ofosu Ajari is the board member of GRA. Deputy Chief Executive Officer, Engineering and Operations, Engineer Samuel Odate Lamti. We have Deputy Chief Executive, in charge of Finance, Mr. John Masuel Bailey. Deputy CEO, in charge of Services, Mr. Samuel Kwesi Fletcher. And Director Corporate Affairs of the VRA, Mr. David Akpako Mensa. Manager Engineer, Nana Yao Anane Benfo. Engineer Ivan Maika Amoa. Plant Manager, Awomaso Power Station here in Kumasi. We have Director Technical Services, Engineer Akim Tijani, all representing the Volta River Authority to pay homage to His Majesty Otumfour Osaa the second. Management and staff of SIC Insurance Company Limited is being led by its Managing Director, Honorable James Ajedin Boateng. Very affable, humble, and hardworking. Managing Director of SIC, Honorable James Ajedin Boateng. It might be clarified once again that His Majesty Otumfour Osaa the second is a Chancellor of the University of Science and Technology, the most outstanding university in the world. And today, the school is being represented by the Vice Chancellor of the University, Professor Rita Akusia Dixon. And also here with us is the former Vice Chancellor, Professor Otu Ellis. The Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology has been a center of excellence in education, has been a pillar of education, and among the best universities in the world. We thank you so much, the Vice Chancellor of the University, Professor Rita Dixon, and all the staff of KoToKo, including the former Vice Chancellor, Professor Otu Ellis. Various institutions will be called. to pay homage to His Majesty as I welcome the Director General of the Ghana Civil Aviation Authority, Reverend Stephen Wilfred Arthur.
Nano Modaroma, Mr. Moinie Akasono, Abisia, I jump for Yiadom, Shimo, Ebiana, make us a binti, open baby, Ayohuya, Mr. Moyade, a barefoot enemy, SC, and Biambia, and it is Mr. Okomon. Now, why you're here, come on. In a baby, I can Mr. A barefoot here, mobile toilet living. Maybe a woman who intends to add a pot to be more, and it's a Okomon. Now, what's this? Come on. We run so not why you also come on. Say, I will be back, or let's see. A record now, so if you're not a dominant. And I said, wait, you know, once and so what's not say, I feel one of a year was of a son. I am Sabia Ewaha, a doctor for, a nurse for, one more, a share, and you nip a piano, say, yeah, the beginning of so 1 year, you should move it just one, if you were wrong. And I walk one man, and mark a room, and it take clinics if you were high. So we run if you want, I know why you're about to so regularly channel. If be able to be home, if be able to feel more, if be able to find more, and if be so you been so find more. You want me up here in you, yeah, I don't know, unless if one of my so so shall I will not pay you, Mr. Sana, we're wrong now.
And then you will so Agradaa, Chairman Albert Kwesibuama, Supolite, Ashankafo, who did training, and our autos, Chairman. I'm
Professor William H.S. Together with his honorable wife, Professor Florence X. Vice Chancellor, Professor F.A. Safo. Principal for Bambo Campus, Professor Asif Otumfour. Director of Finance, Dr. Jeff Watching. We move on to the Wisconsin International University, led by Professor Kofi Strakula, the Vice President, the Dean of the Business School, Mamadou Diaw, and the Acting Registrar for Kumasi Campus, Mr. Emmanuel Fusquatin. In charge of the School of Communication Studies, Charles Otumfour, which contains the International University affiliation. the mayor of Kumasi, Richard Ofuri, Wadi Atamari Suara, is leading the delegation for the Regional Security Council, including Chairman of the ANC, Banana Policy, and the Regional Police Commander, ECOB Kyekyeku, Homage Commander, Agradaa, General Rhythmic, General Commander, General Evans Abusu.
That's how close you are, you know. All assets. What's that? They all assets are the bar. I knew it at the bar. All assets. They might be young. What was it?
National Security, Large Injury, the NEC Women's Organizer, Honorable Yiadom, representing Brussels.
Yadikai Ababo Asantehemaa and Infor one of the dancer at no degree. Kwame Kamo a Archbishop Dr. Julius Osaa Osaa Anas Aifuba Wado and Secretary Wadano Ekapi and Abraham na Musifu degree and Brano Yadi Ibudi Matsuja Association of Ghana Industry CGI Oman Ewahanabo Eba Ababarawi na Nanyabanda Sige Ayakosua the work was sitting a mitchell and the original chairman Sanso Ena the Ross Sunday Dipano Director Emma Festival Limited Rad Emmanuel Abodi Osaa General Manager Napoleon Upon Human Resources G. The Queen Transport Obina Ewaha FBC Festival Limited in Bukino Anemo.
We now invite Virgin of the Crafts, the members of Freemasons, led by most watchful brother, Doteyie Oman, the Grand Master of the Grand Lodge of Ghana. And we have Right Watchful Brother, Jude, District Grand Master, the District Grand Lodge
of Ghana English Constitution. Welcome you all on the level and in the spirit of brotherhood, truth, and service.
Ekura ekram efinfi awomo eko abapoma yurayako. Ekuya yefro free places. And the foya one of the band through my tamma bokope. Oba muina diano. And you see what they say. Ya wata and here you are coming. Oba wata dino. Omo edru hanamba. Omo se yara. Shade yako. And Omo Eddie Brother Mayura. It's a Santini, a self Kuna.
I'm for a female for Nebo Asantehemaa, Ghana Civil Aviation Authority. Almost by the Chame, whatever. Was say a basically and 15,000. And that's a 500 million. What I should say here, I will be in charge of the I don't know. I tell you, 1 minute to guys at Wisconsin International University College, Muslim couples. One of Ewahan, one of Maya. They were showing whatever we do. So we want to be a part of one to be and share a privacy. And it's my next year, I was looking at a woman, she's here and criminal connected to the Yiadom 50 million. And I know. Volta River Authority, Electoral Volta House, Agradaa. I was saying, oh my God. Never chame. Whatever we saw, I'm not here. I must say, and let's say 100,000. Canadian 1 million. I wish I had here, never be able, I know what's the other store, I know, I brought to opportunity and the known. My member, so for life, I drop a phone and come up here over the mouth. Never chame, whatever we do. Obviously, you know, and it's in one more entry as a woman, one more city, FNC Russell, or Mobile, Russia, was saying, and Cameline, connected together 40 million. A pay and SIC Insurance PLC. They were showing whatever more. The SIC that you appeared on was over by your options here and paid 20,000. Connected to the other 200 million. One way you will meet a one of Shako, Agradaa, and so another every no. And it's whatever from us you run by and saying that SIC that you appear workers are against you.
National Madam, you can cry. Now, send your pictures. Nice and ladies of Masha on the Ekasedi. That's a clear one. Everyone, I want you to then. You have a own class, Obaya, was some 5,000 Ghana cities. 5,000 Ghana cities. And another one, and then I don't know how to keep us over there. So, and we grow Total Energies magazine from also Kasano. On the ground, some 20,000 Ghana cities. 20,000 Ghana cities. And then because it's long, I have and I was something about the chair. Yeah, attached. Oh, Christy. I got Baba, you do much in the country alcohol. Wine, Christian, snap, Christian, and then yeah, almost about Asantehemaa, I don't know. Look at energies, run over in Kasa. That's how my mother, it's everyone, it's Nama, Christ Apostolic University College. Christ Apostolic University College. Homage, you're there everywhere from City. Konadu, 5,000 Ghana cities. 5,000 Ghana cities. Our men form Professor and run register or some scan. Sometimes you have to argument that you know professionals in my family among Abaya.
We now invite management and staff of SIC Insurance PLC. And SIC Insurance is led by its managing director, Honorable Jude SIC is represented fully and all the insurance is covered. We thank you, Honorable James Ajedim Boateng, for your support and for the presence of SIC.
National Madaroma. Said essentially using a house Asantehemaa Ekasanye. It's not another subject on the frame. Jude will be Asantehemaa Akabenezer. Obaya, Ukawasan, 2,000 Ghana cedis, 2,000 Ghana cedis. After answer, it's you. Daka back from our for her. And I snap, and I come back. You also are the everywhere, like the agent and I upgrade. My idea.
Mr. Monidi, I guess I something no. This one, your friend, no, this something no. So I said, yeah, and yes, now we now have a chair. And so your friend, and my booty, something no, and so it is just something, Peter, for a camo and chair, become one of a shitty. This answer, one of these answers are very good. From who call a chamber and see. There are channel, whatever may be, say, and a VRA, a voter river authority, electoral voter house, Agradaa, one more Ekasagi, I was say, one more Ebaya, when I see you, Ramaya, Chami, and so, and Naka Edu, Doko, I am boss, and Naka Edu, cook, Ekaho. Snap, pencils, malts, and Naka Pipie, and nothing, Rokodoka, Yadi, Afrafra, and Naka Adriano. One of a black label, Adaka Bako, and a wine, a photo, and Cabo. One of the year of sufficiency here, one of a anti-extreme, and let's decay and Pemboha, and let's decay and Pemboha, 100,000. We and one should say, yeah, one of any air can get my own. So what I would be able to share my Roman to you, Ramay, as a say, and a water river authority for a casa and your children. A doctor for a Kabamuku, one of Penny Choir System, one with Jimo, Dr. Konadu, and the same, Wahaya, Eba, Ababi, Ayo, Nagima's name.
We need to remind you that you wait until your name is called, until your institution or your association is called. Wait for your association to be called before you proceed to the royal podium. We beg of you respectfully to obey these orders. When your institution is called, it doesn't really means that every single soul of that institution should join the line. Now it's time for the clergy and members of the Voter River Authority
Mesebo, Manhyia Sabia, what my a young Dr. Peliba, Konadu,
We are now witnessing the arrival of the Queen's consort, Lady Julia.
Afei ɛna yɛwura ɔkotoɔ ɔsɛe tutu ne yɛwerɛ ne Delegation Lady Julia ɔsɛe tutu ɔba abababa yɛwura yɛakɔ ɔbaba yɛwura hyɛde afei na ɔkɔduru hanom wɔ ne mpanimfoɔ
Is in the queue to pay homage to His Majesty Otumfour Osaa II as we begin the first day of the burial rites of our beloved Asantehemaa. Among the delegation from the Volta River Authority include Osaa Agradaa the second Akabenezer, the Chief Executive Officer of VRA, Engineer Edward Obin Kenzo, the Board Member of VRA, Dr. Lawrence Ofosu Ajari, Deputy Chief Executive Officer, Engineering and Operations, Engineer Samuel Odate Lamte, Deputy Chief Executive Finance, Mr. John Maswell Imbele.
Otumfour Chairman Wadaraba, the ceremony Akasa, Manhyia yɛwura ɛmayɛ sɛsɛ na bɛfo bi ɛkyerɛ wɔ ani so ɛkwan a wɔde agya n'ahema kwan. Association of Ghana Industries, AGI. Otumfour Chairman Musa Homage, Omo Eshantiade, Nabodija Nahimapai, and 7,000 Ghana cedis. Otumfour Chairman was a man and to Europe, so one of the Shantiade, and Association of Ghana Industries, AGI. Sasa Otumfour Chairman Wadaraba, different catering services. One more extra when you get to any woman to Yabra, Amaye, almost over by your almost here, and this is a 5,000 Ghana cedis.
You are welcome, Mr. Football. Mr. Kwame Football. You are duly acknowledged, and we wish you solemn and dignified reverence. Samuel Kwesi-Fletcher, Director of Corporate Affairs, DRA, Lisa Baby Akabenezer, Manager, Engineer Nana Yao Anane Infor, Engineer Ivan Micah Amwa. He is the Plants Manager for Agradaa Power Station of DRA. Engineer Akim Tijani is also Director of Technical Services.
Otumfour Chame, whatever say, Lighthouse Chapel International. So Asantehemaa, if I answer so much, you will sorry, the near Wadano, Bishop Gary Mills, what was it over here? One mission to appear when it is so much here, and basically a 20,000 Ghana cities. One mission to appear on Manhyia and then it's one of Empire Bishop Daniel Mills. And no NS of Kenya with us of Bishop Patrick Bruce, Bishop Nassim, Bishop Otumfour, Bishop Delegation, Bishop Samson, Kisi, Wamina Lighthouse, Chapel International, and our Bishop Odi Fobi, Konadu Ekamobi. Sanso and Sewa Nyako Girls Senior High School. When you inquire whether one no headmistress, Mrs. Esther Jessie Sapo, Mrs. Constance Obu, Mrs. Gina Osaa, Christiana Japan, Abigail Boache, Doreen Furi, Isaac Boating, and Emmanuel Jessie. Omina again for one of editor as year, and if we would want to know, I was say when you're girls, senior high school, Madam Headmistress, and now I do have every like right now.
That's the Madam Agradaa. Send the gift back. When the phone is about the poor, Kasamo, Obaya, Luka, and some city of Piazza. 30,000 Ghana cities. 30,000 Ghana cities. And when she crushed up, and that guy, you know, at the book, you know, it's so back, and all about Ohaa. As no matter what Manhyia, who's the way, Manhyia, Akabenezer, also over Germany and the one. I can't be
Otumfour Chame, whatever we prove about your money, so you're right. And sorry, I would wear one of a book, Massive memory now, or more about the man of Yako and the Shady. And so I'm by Yako, so two from the door, and then I would see what the shit's here, one of any age, I Massive Ministries Fellowship. Massive Ministries Fellowship. I'm by Yako solutions here, and basically, and 5,000 Ghana cities. Sanso and Maranatha Evangelistic Ministries. I'm also Swamabaya, Wamushan here, and basically, and 10,000 Ghana cities. Sanso and Nana, the church, Jessie Company Limited. And Papa Jessie in Primo. We say, and they do not to be a and so, I was set on tribulations here. We see a Russell Lion, the Janai Mapai, and basically, and 50,000 Ghana cities. Say, and Agradaa, Jessie Company Limited, and Papa Jessie Nemo, Wakasa, and the AC, Otumfour Chame, so not to you, Russell, personally. Otumfour Chame, whatever we say, and a church. Christ Apostolic Church International headquarters and crying and a war. One of Ebaya. Well, what's up, Charlie? Whatever. Say, and Agradaa Apostolic Church International headquarters. One more agency, almost one by one Peter, one and some of your full answer, and Naga and nine, or look at a woman's of the school, and Naga and you know, who made your options here, like a job of and this is and put on you 20,000 Ghana cities, or two for Charlie, whatever. So saying that Christ Apostolic Church International, workers are, and you see you, Russell, I don't know.
What's that? Open the machine. University of Professional Studies, UPSA. One more Chair of Council, Vice Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, Registrar, and Director of Public Affairs. One and the Muslim never just your point in our animal. About your two watch and never go, my next year, Ramayan said, what's your book is a woman's snap, we are your book is a shot here, and yes, and Premier. And 20,000 Ghana cities. What was your idea? One of 88 and 9 it's a two watch and saying that was election to Ghana. Was whatever your person so not for actually what you am I in. I was saying, see, I didn't and some bring a bottle of Agradaa, the Qatar, Agradaa, or what I got options here, that will each have one money, and this is a 10,000 Ghana cities. After selling Ghana city, two virtually, see, you're my money, so what options here, and Unfortunately, whatever we must say, and assemblies of God, one more essay, like a Zania so never see you, I was so as a young should say, you're a ninja, now you are crying, and they and him agree, no. And then 50,000 above 50,000, saying the assemblies of God, Ghana, was your fancy, was 2 watch me also, not see you, and no. It was another emergency, and then we did not want to say that.
delegation from Telecel, led by Engineer Patricia Rodai, the Chief Executive Officer of Telecel, the Chief Operating Officer, Moganda, and we have the Enterprise Business Director, Kala Bulami, the Human Resource Director, Rahel Appleton, the Sales and Distribution, Mr. Samuel Sapo. Delegation to pay homage to His Majesty Otumfour Osaa. Second, I would like to announce the presence of the former President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Kyekyeku, the Chancellor Giant, here to pay homage to Asantehemaa and the Chief Mourner, His Majesty Otumfour Osaa the second. On behalf of the Chief Mourner, Amichan, Sister Manhyia, Manhyia, Kwadia, the man is
and show you Mami Ebusuja, Sekana Manhyia John, Kyekyeku, Oman, Akabenezer, was say, as soon as Maria not to me, it says not a year, I didn't see Manhyia Baba, Baba Manhyia, Ramanishiji.
It must be re-emphasized that His Majesty is the Chancellor of the Konadu University of Science and Technology. Today, we have the entire team of the Konadu University of Science and Technology, led by the Vice Chancellor, Professor Mrs. Rita Akosia Dixon, the Co-Vice Chancellor, Professor David Asambwa, Registrar, Lawyer Benjamin Runsu, Finance Officer, Dr. Charles Isia, Internal Auditor, Mr. Moses Chikuri, the former Registrar, Mr. A.K. Broughton.
Yana Yura. Kanema Kane. His Excellency. Omanina da Agradaa. Ogo Apachia Yura. Amanda Kana. Initiative. I said, I don't know what and decided to send our ground. I said, I'm going to go to woman also is trouble. And now you're going to and on the blue hand, say, Homage, you are not. I'm not going to and propose you and foresee and a man. So you have not said, come back, yes, I saw. As I said, it's a woman. I'm on the person, and also I don't want to share. The same thing, and family will be decided. I can see I can be actually nothing can never be other. Like put the bottom of the chart. Such a hand. I don't remember if I said that. Asantehemaa going to work on the piano. Before we have a government as well. Asantehemaa. There's a couple of party after some young son. Jude have a mind. The new infor. Why in our place is same. And then every company, interesting one. I mean,
New government. When the government food, that's not going to go for I never company. Sometimes I will push the bar, you know. Don't trust the person, you know. I don't know to man. Never go out of the room, yes, sir. No, Gabby. And I got your man from I want to assist you. I'm not personal. You have to see. Yeah. Sana, as long. You push you up of your own. Or my Jones Asante, Diploma Asante, Raura Asante, Alpha Asante, Bono, the Premier Apaya, Afadwe Asante. Yabe yuna na doweni ndebe kwa basi kwa mtu ya blao yaba yura kwa kwa na kana ni chajengi hadi pa ndio amesho siaka akafanya mirasi ya se odo tumwa na eba what about Akoma banks no? As foreign treasury bank. Now over receipts. We don't know. There's all receipts and the dances. It's a new body. Our soon a year of so I never made ever for. So receipts no over my say in that receipts so. Now, yeah, from what we bank of every list of bonus, every plano. It's here. So, we are going to be in here. And for receipts, every once now. Small channel plan. However, everybody and we don't know. I'm not sure about. Let's just be.
Otumfour chame whatever madu. Mesewa ni bienu makasa. Whatever mama ni tu yewa baye. Say and dia kwanta traditional council. Ya nana wachimu so edano. Ya mesewa whatever. Say de yina ye ni whatever ya kwati. Delegation from the Konadu University of Science and Technology, led by Professor Mrs. Osaa, the Vice Chancellor of the University. Professor David Asamoah is the Vice Chancellor. Here in the delegation include the registrar, lawyer Osaa, finance officer Dr. Charles Siam, internal auditor Mr. Moses Chikwe, former registrar Mr. A.K. Broughton, Provost Professor Charles Mafo, Provost Professor Christian Ajare, Provost Professor Konadu Richard Yako, Director Professor Michael Otumfour, Director Professor Anthony Andrews, Director Professor Mariam Nkansam, Director Professor Philip N.G. Ajay, Deputy Registrars, Deputy Directors, Deans, and the former Finance Officer, Mr. Yiadom, representing KNUSC on this first day of the 4-day burial rites of our beloved Queen Mother, Dala Yiadom.
Unfortunately, whatever the room is already Gagasa, and the four missions are here with Yamba, whatever my come on to Yamba Amaye. True Free Church International, about I am also here, and they Ghana Sika and 10,000 Ghana cities. KPMG Accra, also missions are here, whatever room, but I see Yamaye and Jessica and them and the chain. Sanso and Ghana Civil Aviation. I must say, we should see here and come on again, 50,000 Ghana cities.
Rhythmic Church of Ghana. Asantehemaa Tomo the property of one here. Amusamushentia here and they and people do. So NSF, also SHS. Here was Shammy, whatever. My name is Rabaye, and it was a big high year. Then you know, I myself. Amusamushentia here with DJ and Pray and Delegation 3,000 Ghana cedis. Afraid 9th and ladies of Marshall, Kumasi branch, and Shantia and 5,000 Ghana cedis. Total Energies Marketing Ghana PLC. Total Energies. Shantia Otumfour chairman and Nessie and Adriano. What kind of 20,000 Ghana cedis. And Chaya, the Wisconsin International University College here, and Criminal Mekaye. I'm said, Papa Chow, a glass sauce, Papa Baby Santana, so Namama Irayako. I'm said, Shapono, a dream was so.
The outside delegation is led by the council chair, Professor William Osaa. We now like to invite delegation from Agradaa University of Skills Training and Entrepreneurial Development. Professor Osaa is the council chair of the university, together with the wife, another professor, and the vice chancellor, Professor F.K. Safo.
I'm comfortable here, Otumfour, Yiadom. Also, the assembly, also, and another year, someone about 2 years. I'm also got some the more from this answer because you are.
From Amsterdam, we move to Gimpa. Delegation from Gimpa should follow seat. Delegation from Gimpa. Gimpa is led by Professor Bush and Professor Redu, and the registrar, Professor Kumbo, is also among the delegation from Gimpa. From Gimpa, we move to UPSC. The representative from UPSC, it's time to pay homage to His Majesty Otumfour Osaa the second. UPSC.
Otumfour chairman, whatever we do. Ghana Civil Aviation Authority, Mediovision UPSA, Baka Amstead, Christ Apostolic University, United Nations Peace Ambassadors. Otumfour chairman, whatever, say the United Nations Peace Ambassadors, Omo Ekasa, and the Essuan, Separate Yoga, and my ADA, Opposition City Akim Ahelo. City of him Ahelo 1,500. Otumfour chairman, whatever it is, so the sign of
UPSA include Professor John Mahuta, the council chair, Adama Zimba, Dr. Agradaa, the registrar, Mrs. Jan, PhD, Mrs. Patuloko, and the Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Asantehemaa and Professor Alki. Now we have representative from Otumfour Company Limited. Otumfour
Company Limited. One of 80 cents so I want to hear what Otumfour Company Limited, a year and a cassa, then Chumaya would be a Casanima, and then another a Benya, and it's a okay. And what am I was as I said that we Naima, everyone's here. I was saying, Delegation, Tiadia, when I was one, and it's a woman say, Omission, Tiadia, and people do 10,000 Ghana cities.
Otumfour Holding Company, owned by His Majesty Otumfour, was sent to the second NFT. It's led by lawyer Manhyia. He is the director and accompanied by Nana Mensa Bonsu, head of marketing, Patience Radio administrator, Louise Doteyie, the technical consultant, production manager Emmanuel Nkrumah, and the security coordinator, Mr. David Osaa. Will I invite the Royal Golf Club? The Royal Golf Club, the Ghana Golfers Association, Professional Golfers Association, and the Royal Golf Club Kumasi.
Honorable Depa, the first of and a soul of Osaa, I will professor of the book.
Now we invite KPMG and Senti Brothers. And then we follow by Total Energies. Total Energies is our time to pay homage to His Majesty.
KPMG and then safe and then Total Energy. Total. There were a school for any WP. I was one of Echo Yoga. Otumfour Chame, whatever, but so did Yakasa. Whatever, someone at you, my say. And the
Golf Club, 24 World Golf Club, and 24 the Rua. How about you on the blue?
Saying Ghana Golf Association. Ghana Golf Association. Professional Golfers Association. Also say one mission to here 10,000 Ghana. Coming for Oman, ladies and gentlemen, Homage. Royal Golfers Association, 3,000 Ghana, 30,000 Ghana cedis. Royal Golfers Association, 30,000
2000 FM Ebesa, KNUSD, or Peter Schlapp, and Akabenezer, Facebook, Agradaa, and Asantehemaa, and 50,000 Ghana cedis, KNUSD. Say to watch me, say what to watch me,
Assistant Headmaster, Roland Osaa, Yaosafo, Solomon Asibati, Papi Okoko, Bryce Nkansa, Margaret Ofor, Johnson Quatin, Gilbert Ajujefi, John Ojo, Nana Afifa Yaboa, Amache Ibano, Seven Osaa, Asanso Achapo,
Long time.
all staff of Rhythmic College, together with some students of Rhythmic College. Your Manhyia is also here.
Mama, one side, Mama, one side. Mama, one side. Mama, one side. I'm in call. Mama, one side. Mama, one side. I can't clear to you. number 4. Oh, boy, you are Otumfour Yiadom. I'm saying, Abahano. What's the high court here? I am for 4. Sebi, akwamo no, at the school no. Who are a fan of by affiliated no. The who are at the school no.
good crowd food, and beverages. I'm a personally seasonal.
Double up, yeah.
Former President of the Republic, His Excellency George Otumfour, the soldier honoring us, together with the former Secretary of Defense, former Minister of Defense, former governor of Ashanti, who led the historic visit to the United States of America in 2001. Thank you so much, Kumasi Moore. Nana Badu Bonsu, we thank you for your gracious gesture. We thank you for being with us.
Asantehemaa, Regional Director of Delegation, 4,000. We now invite Alliance Française, Madame Sonia Rafferman.
Otumfour Chiame Wadaruma. Say and Ananasu Bibikobia Asantehemaa as a bomb, Asante Traditional Council, or more Ekasa, Adarabu, Musamaya, Mushantia, and May and Pendiansa, 3,000 Ghana cities.
Bless my name. Bless me, I don't know, the son, the teacher, what's the beautiful? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm on your pursuit. What's the possibility? The Bible that I read. So that remember, was so full. Asiniya Siakwa. Doctor.
Otumfour Chame, whatever may be.
Before I'm not trying to get a Santa. I'm not before Doctor. Mama you before. Now it's so simple. That's what they do. Now it's so simple. Don't get on my way. That's what they do. Not a fight. That's all. Wawa, Oman, 24. That's all. Sit down. That's all. Sakwa, Manhyia, Doctor.